back to my channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, you have found the place and you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby. So glad to see you. Welcome back. I have an older wig from my favorite company, Freetress Equal. Okay, this is a wig I actually haven't tried yet, which is weird because I've tried them all. Hey, Freetress, by the way, I love you. I love you. You can love me. You know, let's work together. We should work together. This is Miss Tammy. I have her in the color OM2730613. She is a lace front, deep invisible parting. It is the L-shaped part, hand tied. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes in a few colors, and I scooped her up from Sam's Beauty for $21.99. So let's talk about her. I love this wig. I definitely like this old ombre coloring. I know some people do not like that. I think the bobby curl, side swoop, deep right-sided part is really cute, and I don't even usually like a right-side part. She didn't take long to get together. Let's look at her from the back. So cute. I'm really enjoying this wig. I would say it's doing a Motown tress on me. It's doing a Motown tress's Farrah. The wig cap itself is fairly large. I had to tighten it quite a bit, but from here to here, I don't feel like it's overly large. So that's just something to keep in mind. I feel like she'd be so cute. Yeah. This is just the cutest wig ever. Super easy, under 20 bucks. Ooh. How can you go wrong? And it's Freetress Equal. So, they're good quality, especially for the price. So yeah, I'm really loving this. A lot of people have been asking me for more shorter wigs on my channel, so I wanted to make sure that I was doing that. So if you have this wig and you have any thoughts, please go ahead and put that down below. If there's another Freetress Equal wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. I'll put the full playlist down below because I have reviewed a lot of them. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.